可以繼續講埋落去啦。Effects of pressure on rate of reaction 啦，咁其實係好相似、好類似嘅嘢嘅。上邊係講 concentration 啊嘛，下邊講 pressure。咁點解有關係咧？咁睇一睇個圖就知㗎啦。嗱，呢一個咧個 pressure 同隔離個 pressure 咧，應該左手邊呢一個圖咧個 pressure 係低啲嘅，因為 volume 係點啊？volume 係大啲。OK，咁你壓落去嗰個時候，volume decrease 咗嘅時候，你見到個 pressure 咪升咗啦。OK，咁點解要同上邊有啲關係咧？就係因為你見唔見到，當個 volume 跌嘅時候，你見唔見到個 concentration 係點啊？其實咪升咗咯。咁用翻前邊嗰個解釋咪搞掂咯。咁所以呢個位置咧，呢個 concept 係乜嘢咧？咁呢個就會講啦。咁啊，當我哋 increase the pressure，increasing the pressure 嘅時候咧，其實會發生咩事咧？就會 decrease the volume of the reaction system 嘅，係會令到個 volume 咧係會跌咗嘅，因為 pressure 上升，volume 就會跌。咁呢個係一個定律嚟嘅，OK？咁然後咧，第二樣嘢就係乜嘢咧？你會見到咧，the particles again would become closer together， 會黐得埋咗。嗱，黐得埋咗之後就會 greater chance to collide。咁最尾咧，the number of effective collision increase， 最尾咧個 reaction rate 就會 increase。嗱，咁我想問，其實係咪好類似啊？你睇翻上邊，上邊又係咁講啦。concentration increase 嘅時候，咁 particle become closer，咪呢句咯。咁然後 greater chance of collision，然後 number of effective collision increase， 最尾個 reaction rate increase。OK，咁啊一樣嘅解釋嚟嘅，其實係 OK，純粹前面一開始唔同咗啫。其實呢一句咧，其實咧已經係講緊咪就係個 concentration increase 咗咯。OK，因為你 increase pressure 嘅時候，你 decrease the volume 啊嘛，咁啊代表個 concentration increase 咗咯。係啦，咁所以咧個解釋咧都係差唔多嘅啫。係啦，其實係令到嗰個嘅佢哋撞擊嘅機會率高咗，所以 effective collision 會上升咗啦，嗰個 frequency。好啦，咁呢個圖一樣啦，一開始假設咧係一個 low pressure 嘅 reaction system 去做嘅。咁如果轉咗個 high pressure system 嘅時候，咁成個嗰個嘅 reaction 嘅 rate 有乜變化？所以睇翻條 graph 嘅時候咧，其實會同上邊嗰條 graph 咧係十分之類似，而唔同嘅地方係乜嘢咧？唔同嘅地方就係個 initial rate 唔同咯。initial rate 應該會係高啲，應該會快啲嘅。OK，就係因為咧嗰個 pressure 上升咗咯。OK，所以個 volume 跌咗啦，concentration 上升咗啦。OK，咁啊，如此類推啦。咁你自己睇翻隔離嗰四點啦。OK，咁啊呢個位置咧，所以呢一條 graph 咧就係嗰個喺一個 high pressure 嘅情況下咧，去做嗰個嘅 reaction 咧，會得出到呢一條 graph 嘅。OK。